Organising expert Anita Burgess. Good morning to you.
Good morning. We're going to head straight over here, mate.
Take control.
I'm going to head straight over here.
I like when she does that.
And yeah, you like it when I take control. Okay, this is the launch locker, okay? And you're going to need 5 zones whenever you're setting up your kids for success in the morning and you want to beat the morning mayhem. This is something I designed. It's going to be out for release probably in the next couple of months. Just I didn't realise delivery was so difficult in Australia.
Yes.
But, so down the bottom here, we have a place for shoes. You always want to have a place for shoes.
Right.
You only need something for like sneakers, flip-flops and maybe the school shoes, right? That's a very important. Thank you so much, Nat, for showing this. Then we want to have hooks for bags, blazers, jackets or umbrellas. So these are the stations. You want to have a drawer, you want to have a hook, you want to have a place for hats or sun protection, stuff like that, whether it's beanies, school hats, because if the school hats always go missing. Library books, homework, and then I've just kept this up open as another miscellaneous place. So for lunch boxes, stuff like that.
Library bag.
Library bag, and I use the white magic eye hooks for this, Nat, as well, because they hold up to about 5 kilos.
So this is taking the sting out of the mornings, isn't it? Because you know where the bag is, you know where the jacket is.
And not only that, every day, like when they walk in from school, it's not being dumped at the front door. It's not being dumped at the kitchen bench. I mean, those school bags, don't forget how much bacteria is on a school bag. If you have everything, it's really bad.
I touched that.
Imagine, well, mine's clean. I washed it ready for back to school. Don't you worry.
So you can purchase these?
Yes, you can purchase these through me. Go to my website.
Okay,
and you can sign up for the exclusive updates, and these will be released in about the next 6 weeks.
Okay.
So excited.
When school actually begins,
yes.
Then how do you get on top of it?
Okay. Also, just quickly, down the side, I want to make sure you have in your zone something for devices and something like a command centre that can basically tell you
swimming lessons, take library bag.
And it's for the kids because if everything's if everything's written down, then they'll know what to do, what to bring, and what day of the week it is, and what task they have to do.
Good.
Lunchbox.
Oh, yes, the dreaded.
These are amazing.
You've actually got a lunchbox very similar to this.
We were talking about it before.
I know.
So we're going to go through it. So if it's back to work or back to school, salad, you can just chuck in some veg like this.
Oh, in the jar.
But what's this? What's this
Wait, you want to help?
Sorry.
Let's put some carrot in.
And some nice onion for the kids.
No, that's for you. I was making you nice.
Some pumpkin seeds.
Why? Who doesn't eat onion?
Well, not kids.
Dave, relax, mate. Thank you.
Some more of
these little and that's why you don't get them to help you.
What about
you're doing that with the wrong person.
We've got.
She's going to spin off her accent.
You're going to eat this after, so be careful, mate. Okay, so we put all the salad stuff in there. Choose what you like. Then this has actually got a little container at the top to put your dressing.
Anita.
Right. Then I know. Wait. It gets better. So then when you take it to work, you take it like this to work. All right. Then what you do when you get to work, what are you going to do? You're going to take out your dressing. You're going to pour it in here. Now wait. That's not all.
Then you shake it up.
Baby. Let's shake it, shake it around. And how do we eat it? Not out of the jar.
No.
We're eating it out of a bowl.
That's amazing.
There you go. There's lunch.
What brand is that?
This is Prepara. This is a salad pod. Okay, you can grab them all on. This is Prepara. P-R-E-P-A. Sorry, Prepara. Prepara. Okay, when we come over here, these are the bento boxes with silicone seals and silicone dividers, and I have a silicone squeeze bottle. These are game changers for school lunch boxes because you can put tomato sauce, hummus, soy sauce, anything, and it's not going to leak all over your bag. Hummus. Anything. We want healthy, we want it sealed, and we want it leak-proof. Great for fruit and veg as well because you can keep it separately.
Or adult lunches. People bring their lunches or their breakfast
back to school and back to work. Yes. This is why I kind of want to say it's not just for kids. What about brekkie on the run? What about brekkie on the run? You need a little yogurt to go. You just got your Greek yogurt here. Wait. These are also secret compartments. Chuck in your muesli. Hang on. Wait.
What?
Oh, there's more.
We're waiting. What's in there?
Little bit of strawberry.
The fruit.
I know. Just got a little bit.
Little container.
And then you've got your little yogurt to go. So instead of making it, this is packet as well.
Okay.
And these come you just can get this in this colour, or you can get it in a green colour as well. But how great is this?
Great.
Last but not least, we have the school memory box, because if you set this up at the beginning of your kids starting school, so I want you to start with things like Year K, Year 1, Kindy, 1, 2, 3, 4.
paintings, all the
paintings. You've got an art place. You put the name on the front, label, and you're set up for about 12 years.
And guaranteed your kids will pass.
If you've got this, they will.
Thanks, Anita.